What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on SUPRA. So today we will take a look on the exact potential trades that I am planning to take, so on the exact entry, stop loss and take profit targets, and also I will tell you what is the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit. So if you are interested about this, definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. Here I am currently watching two main areas, this bearish and this bullish order block. This bearish order block is between level 0.004876 and 0.004670. This bullish order block is then between level 0.003696 and 0.703489. Right now I am watching here two potential setups to get into a long position. First setup will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block area. The biggest problem with this trade is that the potential stop loss here is only 4.5%, which is honestly not that much for this coin, so the potential, let's say, risk that this coin will end up in a stop loss is kinda high. But anyway, if you will be trading this setup, use proper risk management. For a trade like this, I would risk around like 0.5%. Yes, I'm doing something like that. So if stop loss will be hit, I will lose 0.5% of my trading account. Last take profit targets, in this case, you can place above this bearish order block, which will give you itself risk reward ratio around 10.07. This is, in my opinion, really great. And also keep in mind that you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you definitely want to take under this high, then under this previous high, then under this previous important lows, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be more like 7, 6.8, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really great setup. Maybe you are asking why I am placing the last take profit targets above this bearish order block and not under, because of course this bearish order block is an important psychological resistance and also important resistance from the fundamental perspective. And the reason is that, in my opinion, a lot of people who will be shorting this area, they will probably put their stop losses above these previous important highs. And the market is always, or like it's usual, that the market is moving to areas where is a higher liquidity. So if there will be many stop losses, I think it makes only sense that we are gonna grab the liquidity, and then the market will decide what will be the next important move. So yeah, I think that placing last take profit targets to area where a lot of people will place their stop losses is making really great sense, and also the risk reward ratio will be better because we are having here higher last take profit target. Second potential trading scenario that I am watching here will be valid in case of a retest of this bullish order block area. Also keep in mind that if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I am sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. For this trade to be valid, there needs to be either a retest of this bullish order block, or better scenario will be a liquidity grab with a support confirmation. But let's now take a look on the more risky approach. In this trading setup, you just need to set a limit order above this bullish order block, and stop loss you just need to place under this. So stop loss will be around 6% of a net market, and last take profit targets you can place again above this bearish order block. The reason is the same, and potential profit here is almost 100% of a net market. The big advantage of this is that you don't need to watch the chart, you just set a limit order, and if your entry will be hit, then you are having your trade with really great risk reward ratio. The huge disadvantage of this trading setup is that, in my opinion, once there will be a bigger dump, there is, let's say, really high probability that we are also gonna take liquidity under this previous low, because in my opinion, again, a lot of people who will be placing long positions in these areas, they they will place their stop losses under this previous low, because it makes like perfect sense. And in my opinion, it is also the best potential level where you can place it from like this long position. So on the other end, you might be asking that like if a lot of people will be placing like long positions or like stop losses under these previous lows, I might just place my entry here. And yeah, maybe this makes sense, but the big problem with this is that once there will be, let's say, many stop losses, it will cause a huge selling pressure, which means that the price will drop even lower. So in my opinion, once we will take liquidity under these previous important lows, it is really important to wait for that pullback up again and then a support confirmation, so we can see an increased bullish volume. And after this will happen, you can simply place the stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out. So if the market will do, for example, something like this and then a support confirmation, you will just place the stop loss under the low that we created. And in my opinion, this is currently the best setup that you can take with this bullish order block. I hope this was understandable. If you, for example, do not understand my strategy, you can DM me anytime on my Discord group. You can join, it's completely free, and if you have any questions, feel free to DM me. I am trying to answer to everyone. Let's now take a look on a bigger picture. In the long-term perspective, if I'm gonna switch on a daily time frame, right now there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that this was actually a low of this whole dump. But of course, this also depends, for example, on Ethereum or Bitcoin, because if these two altcoins are gonna drop, SUPRA will drop as well. But besides that, I think there is, let's say, slightly higher, or like, yeah, there is simply high probability that this coin will continue with its pump. That's the main reason why I am considering here opening only long positions, not short. On a daily time frame, right now I'm expecting we are gonna take liquidity in this bearish order block area. So yeah, in the upcoming months or like weeks, I'm expecting here pump around like 63 to like 80% of a net market. Of course, this coin is really volatile. This move can happen in a couple of days. But yeah, in my opinion, right now we are testing an important resistance, so this might take some time. If I'm gonna switch on a weekly time frame, you can see nothing interesting is here. We are not testing any important resistance. There is simply not enough price action. So on a daily time frame, if if I would predict the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, I think that in this bull market we are gonna take let's say liquidity above this previous high at least, so level 0.03291. So from a current level, I am expecting a pump around like 670% of a net market. Of course, we can get on even higher level. This coin is still pretty low market cap, so we can see like 10x, 20x, 30x, something like that. So I actually wouldn't be that surprised if we are gonna, for example, break the current all-time high. The community around this coin is really great, but if I will be opening here some long-term long position, this will be my main take profit target. So definitely let me know in the comments, guys, what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is the exact price that you think this coin is gonna hit. Probably right now I am not planning to open any long-term long position, but for me the best potential trading setups are these two that I showed you on that 4-hour chart. So either breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block, or liquidity grab, support confirmation, and then I want to open here a long position as well. So yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. If you like my analysis, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. I'm sharing their setups like this every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.